everybody, and welcome to Vibe and Estate Gems. I am Lola G. I appreciate you being here, for following me. Be sure and like and follow for more feedback from me. I want to let you know that my show is coming up on Whatnot at 2 p.m. on this coming Thursday. Is it this night? This the 18th? Today's 17th. Yeah, the 19th. It's Thursday, whatever that day is. Like, what? Am I not prepared? What? I don't make notes, you guys. I just go off the top. I'm super excited. I am not hopeful that I'll have a lot of sales. It's okay because Whatnot's really saturated, but I'm not worried about it. I'm gonna do me, baby. I'm gonna do me. You know me. I'm gonna do me. I'm gonna do me well. I'm gonna do me well, and I'm not going to stress. I've been in sales for a really long time, and I'm not gonna worry about it. I'm just gonna have a good time and meet the people that I meet, like you. So hopefully you'll come and follow me and maybe buy something beautiful. I believe in living your legacy. I'm living my life. Check this out. Look at this, baby. This is diamonds. And this big sterling oval pendant. Isn't that gorgeous? You can't see the diamonds because I can't get close enough. It's pretty. On a big long chain. I like to layer chains. It's tanzanite. This one is a kind of a funny story. I bought this off of a seller. You need to buyer beware on Whatnot. Not with me, because you know me on eBay. I've been on eBay a long time. You don't have to buyer beware with me because I know gemstones. I'm getting certified with color gemstones to be GIA certified. And I've been studying for a long time, and I teach you guys how to identify gemstones out there in the marketplace. And lately I've been really focused on turquoise. And then this guy came up with this, and he called it red rose turquoise. Well, first of all, if you know turquoise, you know this. If you know turquoise, you know this, that there's no such thing as red rose turquoise, right? There's no red rose turquoise mine. Listen. Wouldn't it be cool if there was? Because what do you know? We wouldn't be able to afford it. Because if there was a turquoise that was that color, everybody would be killing themselves to get it, right? It would be done. De Beers would own it. Steve Bennett would own it. It'd be a thing. Anyway, but this is a clay bead, but the sterling's real. And I think it's really pretty. So I didn't go and write a nasty review and be like, hey, yeah. Also, I'm not going to do giveaways. Whatnot, apparently. People always want giveies. No, not going to do it. I grew up in the world and cut my teeth as a GM and then a sales manager and then a sales manager, then a GM, then a sales manager in high-end luxury retail. And we had free gifts all the time. And people, I need a free gift. No, you don't. Sephora doesn't give you anything. Ulta doesn't give you anything. Once in a while you get a gift for your birthday or some shenanigans. Most of the time you don't get dingus, right? You don't get bupkis. Forget that, Jack. So it isn't that I don't want to give my customers things. It's just that I don't want to start that precedent. At some point, I'm down the line. I may do it. I'm not doing it now because you get people called givey goblins. Literally, there's somebody out there on Whatnot called givey goblin. And when you give someone a giveaway, Whatnot has this ideology. It's a free gift. Why are you letting people rate me on my free gift? Because they want to make sure that you're honest, I guess. But the person doesn't have to rate. They could just give a thumbs up if they got it. Or they could do something else other than you're getting rated for a free gift. So I'm like, okay, well, I'm not going to do it. I'm not going to get rated because nobody bought anything. And I'm going to send them out some pair of earrings. We work hard to source. Sourcing has become a difficult thing. And you can't get in a mind mentality about that either. You have to keep going. You have to keep going. And so I've been really blessed. I've found honey holes in places where I can go and source affordably to bring beautiful, affordable things. Basically, I'm like QVC and HSN and JTV, but you're not going to pay those prices. So you can get the things that are on there, but you're not going to pay those prices, like Judith Jack and Anatoly and Thai and SAI and Jai. All of those brands are on QVC and HSN, but you're not going to pay the QVC and HSN prices with me. So it's a real opportunity for you to get something beautiful. Jewelry is about living your legacy. All of my jewelry, I've written down who's getting what. I have a lot of kids in my life that they're, amethyst and turquoise and the whole thing. They all have different birthstones, and so thank goodness, garnets, So live your legacy. Buy something beautiful, even if it's one thing. I'm going to put in the comments section a $15 coupon for you to use. You don't have to use it with me. Look, if you're looking for one of those hen and nesting egg things that everybody has, do you know how many of those I used to have? The Fenton ones with the hen. I don't like chickens, like that kind of stuff. I love avians. I want real chickens, though. But those things are fire. And I'm like, a Chinese market's going to get involved in that and start faking them out. That'll be the next thing. And you won't be able to know unless you know, depression glass like I do. Because they were back in the day, Grandma had one. I'd love to have a cobalt blue one. But I don't do doodads. I'm like, I'm not a doodad girl. I'm just like, okay, well, I'll do jewelry all day long, but I'm not going to do doodads. Because my husband and I are like, hey, just donate the doodads. No, we don't want any. Just don't need the doodads. That and the shipping with the doodads, meaning like brass doodads or trinkety things or, you know, whatever it is, juicers and little candle Fenton, whatever. Fenton is fire right now again. Millennials really like it. Cottage core and grandma core is fire. Live your legacy with jewelry too. Because why go spend $185 to $200 on Kendra Scott when you wear it 15 times? It's going to get worn looking, and then you're going to go donate it or what have you. And it's not a good piece of jewelry. This necklace right here is sterling and diamond and heavy. Look at that bad boy. Heavy, and then diamonds and 14 karat gold around there. It's never going to get nasty. It's never going to be gross. I mean, diamonds can fall out. We all know that. My clay bead might fall out. Boo-hoo. But, you know, I can go have this sterling, something else put in it, right? I can. So I'll give you a $15 coupon. And then what I will do is I'll link the show to you. At some point when I'm better at it, I'm going to start linking my shows onto YouTube. I'm just not doing it right now. This is literally my first show. I know it's going to be a doo-doo show. There's going to be poo flying everywhere. No offense. I get a big sense of humor. Doo-doo show because it's new. Like, I have to work the computer and I don't have a second there doing anything for me. And I'm working over here with the people and I'm trying to make sure I show you the stuff, and then I'm doing the computer and I'm talking to people. Okay, yeah, well, and then, you know, talking to people and pacing didn't used to be hard for me because it's what I did for a job. But now I feel like I'm going to be like, okay, yeah, what? I don't feel that way because I do YouTube and I used to talk to people on the phone and I had to do pacing while I was looking up stuff for them. And so it wasn't like, oh, so how's your day? Hey, how's your day been going? Oh, it's been good. Yeah, I'm just trying to get cars. Oh, okay, yeah. And so, yeah, did you have anything good for lunch? Because sometimes I'm like, the computer just blew up and I'm trying to, you know, figure it out. And food's always a good thing to go down. And, yeah, I just had a big sandwich from Jimmy John's or whatever. So, you know, talking to people is not hard. It's the getting people to come and buy things from you that are your community. And that's what it's really about. It's about building your people and your community and having them see value not only in you but in the things that you're offering. And my value comes from the fact that I have 15 years in the reselling industry on eBay with jewelry only. Then I've got 10 more years of that. I've already sold everything. I've been a GM of a high-end luxury store, been a manager twice in all three at one time or another. And then I was in a Fortune 5 for insurance for a really long time. I was a senior underwriter for a really long time. And now I'm doing Whatnot. And I think it's going to be fun. I might find it really stressful and hate it. I don't know. eBay, yeah. I mean, you told you my story about the whole scam thing. Old Brock Mitchell there trying to scam me. And I tell you, I would never scam another reseller. And there are, you know, I think sometimes I bought some keychains. I knew darn good and well that those keychains she was running on there for $2 and $3, you can get them for 33 cents on Ali. I knew it. But I liked her, and I wanted to support her. And there were only like 4 people in the whole room, and I bought a couple things. And then the next thing, other people start buying stuff, and then everybody buying it. Blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, okay, she's good. My work is done here. And now I go away. But there are things like raid trains and all kind of stuff you can get on Whatnot. And first what I did is I started watching people that were good. Then I started watching people that weren't good. Then I started making notes and building my own kind of thing and my brand. My brand is Vibin Estate Gems. I come up with things like I was thinking about my dog. I was like, why didn't I do Gracie May Gems? Because it's not about Gracie May. Gracie May is my bloodhound. It's not about her. She's the love of my life. But it's not about her. It's about vibing with you. Estate stuff is where I go to estate sales and auctions all the time, in-person auctions, and gems, because I personally love gemstones. Tanzanite, turquoise, garnet, herkimer, topaz, anything that's gemmy, I like it. If it looks like a gem and it's shiny, I'm going to like it. If you could see the window hanging up here, there was literally a labradorite, and an agate hanging up there. I have in the kitchen rose quartz and another big agate slice and a crystal. And then in the other window, there's crystals. It's not because I like, ooh, crystals mean something. No, it's just because I like the sun coming through the gem. I think it's pretty. I'm gemmy that way. I don't know. I like it. So, come and see me on Thursday at 2 p.m. if you can. I will I don't know, I may shut it down and then stay on a couple 3 hours, and then I may that night have a big pop-up at 1 in the morning. I'm trying to gauge where my people are. Where are the people that want luxury jewelry, quality jewelry from someone that knows gemstones? I don't have to sit there and test it. I know what it is. That's where I'm at in life. I can teach you. I've taught you how to do amber. I've taught you about blacklight testing and testing for bakelite. And other things, and using the blacklight to test rubies and so on. It won't do everything, you know, and then learning an eye. Now I'm getting to where I can look at the loop and look at gems and go, oh, that's a CZ, a low quality one. There's actually differences in CZs, like Bomb Party, which is a brand, I don't know, it's like an MCM brand. They have really high-end CZs. It's still glass and a cut cubic zirconia, but they're pretty and they're very blingy. Whereas another CZ might be kind of, the light dispersion isn't what it is with the other ones. So, with the Bomb Party ones. But I have a Bomb Party necklace. I have Anatoly. I have Seijin. I have Guak, which is a sterling maker out of Thailand. I have Judith Jack. Who else? I have Milor. I'm just trying to name some of the brands that I've got. I'm trying to pick my own brain because right now it's like, bye. If you like animals, I've got dolphins. I think that's all I have in this show. I just have two dolphin necklaces. Oh no, I have a unicorn. Beautiful gold-plated unicorn. I do have some gold. I have gold-plated and I have gold-filled. There's a difference there. I have every kind of gemstone from diamonds to not picture jasper. I have rainbow jasper. I have cat's eye agate. Ooh, and the chatoyancy on that cat's eye agate. I'm going to show you, if you come and watch, it goes and winks at you, literally. I don't want to get rid of them. I want to keep them. Because they're just winking at me all the time. And I'm Mexican in part, so it's Mexican silver, and it's really heavy and Aztec-y looking, and I'm like, I need this in my life. I don't have cat's eye agate. I don't have it. And I was like, I need these, because every time you move, it winks like a cat's eye. And that chatoyancy goes across that stone, and I'm just in love with it. And then I have garnets. And I have citrine and blue topaz. I have an SAI piece, which is from QVC, with diamonds. That's about 6 to 8 carats of blue topaz. That is a beautiful cut. It's gorgeous. On like a 34-inch sterling chain. Oh my God. This thing is huge, and it just says money. And, you know, you want to look like you're blinging, you know? You blinging, you rocking out your gemstones. Live your legacy. You only get one life. I wear my jewelry like tattoos. Today I've got on rutilated quartz. See my rutilated? Look at this black rutilated in there. Oh, so delicious. Rutilated quartz. A friend gave me these. I saw them and I was like, I like those. And she was like, do you want them? And I'm like, well, are you getting rid of them? And then she gave them to me for my birthday because I liked them. I was like, you just giving me your own crap over there. I wasn't upset. I really wasn't. I thought it was really nice, actually. And then I love tanzanite. I love garnet. I love sapphires. These are my new wedding rings that I got. I love this sapphire on either side. Not really sure about this band. I got a really good deal on it, but I don't buy jewelry. I buy jewelry like from QVC and HSN and JTV and all that stuff. But I also buy it secondhand. I bought a big grouping of brooches recently and kept a lot of them. I bought some rings and kept some of those. I bought this ring and a grouping of things from resellers. So if you're a reseller or whatnot reseller, hey, hit me up. I love jewelry. I will buy from you. I collect owls, and I like owl everything. I have owl earrings. I have owl pendants. I have yet to have an owl ring that I'm really vibing with. I really want one, but I haven't found one. I did, and I will show you guys this. I did acquire, it hasn't come yet. It's been 2 months since I bought it. And the lady's really nice. I'm not going to be ugly to her because she's really working on it. She had put a track on the package and the whole thing. but it's a poison ring that looks like a black widow, and you open its back, and here's the little space. Why don't they make jewelry like this anymore? Come on now, Jen, make some jewelry that doesn't have a dang face on it, right? Come on now, Sai, get me some jewelry. And JAI is one of my favorite brands right now. I love their jewelry. Crazy about it. If you don't know JAI, I encourage you, as a jewelry lover, go check it out on QVC. Listen, this is my James Avery piece I just got. It's retired. I've wanted this ring for so long. And I bought it secondhand. I'm so happy with it. It's the old one too, with the candelabra, because James Avery does JA, and then he's changed it so many times. This is the one when he was still helming it. I don't even think James Avery's alive anymore. I don't mean to say that. I don't know. Don't hold me to that. I really don't know. Anyway, I appreciate you guys. $15 coupon's going to be in there. I'm going to put the link to my show. Come check Whatnot out. It is freaking cool. If you collect doodads or crocodiles, or maybe you collect baseball cards or Pokemon, coins, all that. Now, guns and stuff won't be out there. Bullets, crap like that. You'll have to go to auctions for that. But everything else under the sun, every Fenton, every kind of jewelry thing, maybe pins are your thing. It's another thing. I saw a big counterfeit the other day. This lady had a whole bunch of these gold tone pins, like from 1928. Remember that had the little enamel rose on the front of it? They were in rings, like Sarah Coventry had rings, Avon had rings. They were a thing in the 70s. My mom had a bunch of it. My aunts did. I still have a porcelain ring. It's a poison ring that has the little flowers on the front. And people ask her, are these vintage? They were new. She got them off of Wish or someplace like that, bought them in bulk, and it's like, oh, these are vintage. I'm going to sell them, you know. That just makes the rest of us look bad, girl. I just want to go, girl. I appreciate you getting your groove on over there, but stop it with being fake, okay? Don't do that. Don't do it. That's not delicious. Love your jewelry. Live your legacy. Wear it. Donate. I mean, don't donate it. Don't give to Goodwill. Wear it and then pass it down to a niece. Pass it down to your grandkids. Pass it down to your daughters. Pass it down to, maybe you've got a dog, whatever, that you love. Pass it down to them. I don't know. Just do you, boo-boo. And if you're a reseller and you're thinking about reselling on Whatnot, don't be a victim. Stay in your lane. Get to know folks. Go shop in other people. Maybe you don't have any money to shop. That's okay. You can support people by just being in there, giving them loves. That's free. Free love. Love is free. You can come in and just hang out with me. Talk to me. Lola, I follow you on YouTube, girl. What you doing? And love me and give me some love. That's free. Follow me. That's free. You don't have to spend anything. But you're going to get $15 to spend on something. And I have $15 things. So I have some $10 things and some $8 things. So I've got something for everybody. I'm not giving my stuff away, though. People do these $1 start. Nah, bruh. Nah, that's not me. I'm not going to. No, sir. I'm not going to do that. I'm playing. But anyway, come watch me. Come hang out. Come say hi. I came over from YouTube. And I got my $15, but I'm not going to spend it with you because I'm going to go get a Fenton chicken. Whatever. Now, hey, I feel you on. Listen, if the blue chicken, I had a yellow amber colored chicken. I got rid of it. Then I had a red one, got rid of that one. I had a white one, got rid of that one. I want the blue chicken. I donated that freaking chicken too. That was dumb. All them chickens, they got donated. Not to Goodwill though. I don't donate to Goodwill. No, they went to a rescue mission, so God bless you. Alright, see you guys later. Thank you for watching. I know I'm completely cracked. I'm cracked. I'm certifiable. It's okay. I'm fun. So come have fun with me, and we'll have a good time, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.